Have you always wanted to raid on YouTube? On Twitch, it's common practice to raid at the end of your stream, share your community with another creator, either friend or complete stranger, and show some love. If you didn't know, YouTube have a feature as well. It's very similar. It's called Live Redirect. Now, in this video, we'll run you through the requirements needed to be able to do a live redirect, and also how to set it up pre-stream and during stream, so you know where you're at. So enough chitter chatter. Let's get into it. So the requirements for you to live redirect on YouTube mean you need 1,000 subscribers and also no community guideline strikes. This ensures credibility, community safety, and helps prevent the things like hate raids, etc. So first off, what you need to do to enable redirects as a creator, so there's two parts of this. You need to enable the redirects yourself, and then you'll be able to redirect once you've hit the requirements. So the first bit is to enable that feature for yourself. Now, first off, you want to come into your YouTube studio, head down to the bottom left corner and click on settings. From here, you want to go to community moderation, user management, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see live redirect users. Now you have three options here. 1, all channels can redirect to my content. 2, channels that I subscribe to can redirect to my content. And 3, specific channels only. With the specific channels only, you just need to copy their URL from their channel into that box, and it'll add them as a possible user for you to be able to redirect to. Now, YouTube does advise against using all channels can redirect to my content, because that can lead to potential issues with hate raids, etc. One thing that kind of mitigates that is the requirements needing 1,000 subscribers, but obviously it's not a perfect world, so this could still be an issue. To choose which one you want and choose wisely, it's entirely up to you which one you would like to use. All channels allows for more people to come in if you're willing to trust that they are nice people. So now, once we've done that bit, we'll now talk you through how to do the live redirect setup. It's the same way as if you're doing it before stream in a schedule, when you're scheduling your streams, and as if you're going live. So we'll simply just go through and show you how to do it. So once you've opened up your scheduled stream, you want to come across to the top right-hand corner and click edit. Then you'll be greeted with the edit settings screen, where you want to go to customization. Scroll right down to the bottom. We've already done it, but scroll right down to the bottom and click on add. You'll then be greeted with this screen. This shows you all your current scheduled streams. Obviously, I don't stream every day and I don't stream back to back, so this won't really help for me, but you can also search your other videos as well if you want to. But what we're going to do, we're going to go and find someone else. So we'll click on search videos from other channels. Your current subscribers will show up first, so who you are subscribed to, their scheduled and their current live streams. If you want to find someone in a particular category, let's say Euro Truck Simulator 2, we'll pop in the words Euro Truck and it will show anyone with the same title there. So it's not the category, it's not the game category, it's within their title. Anyone that's grayed out, you can't redirect to. But anyone at the top there, which are nice and colorful, you can redirect to. So select the stream you want to redirect to. We'll just click on this one. That will pop up just there in your edit settings, ready for you to finish your stream and redirect your viewers to that stream. Don't forget, click save. Once you click save, that saves it. Totally forgot that a minute ago. Nearly finished the recording. But yeah, hit save. There's a few caveats which we'll explain in the outro. So the way I normally would initiate this is during my live stream, I change to a chatting screen at the end. I quickly go into the dashboard, select the person I want to redirect to. If it's a current subscriber, we normally go there just because, hey, supporting other subscribers. And also, I try to find someone new as well to expand our reach, community, and network, essentially. Whilst doing this, it is a good time for you to say your thank yous, etc., etc. There's a couple of caveats here. As long as your viewers have autoplay enabled, they will automatically be redirected to the other live stream. If they don't, they'll get a prompt up at the top in chat. Click that, they'll then get redirected to the new live stream. So this is a great way for you to network as a creator, but also find yourself some new channels to explore. But it is just like raiding on Twitch, and just remember, not every raid goes to a plan, and hopefully you learn from these mistakes. Hopefully this has helped you out, and if it has, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more content. We have plenty more tutorial ideas coming up, so if you are liking these tutorials, then please do hang around. Also, we do live stream gaming, so if you like your gaming side of things, survival and driving based, then do hit that subscribe button and jump into our live streams. Well, thank you all for watching, and please do check out the other tutorial that we'll be showing on screen right now. Until next time, take care all. Bye bye.